south-central Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain just east of Janesville. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Janesville, Beloit, Milton, Edgerton, Clinton, Tiffany, Emerald Grove, Avalon, Chaupier, Johnstown Center, Afton, Foggs Hollow, Lima Center, and Indian Ford. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most floodwaters occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately.
We live on a hill.
Living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. 45 p.m. this afternoon for central Dane County. At 3:11 p.m. the broadcast media reported.
Yeah, what you probably might have heard was the Midland WR120, which always goes off after the message. And then there's my trusty version 15 HH54 VP2.